Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV, and it is that time again where we think about how will Steve McLaren set up his team, or should I say, what will his starting 11 look like versus the USA. So thank you again, people, for tuning in. I will still have the question, what or how will it start in never look like versus the USA? You ask yourself the question, and time on time you say, all right, interesting. It's an interesting one. A very, very interesting one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to dip into my head and try to see if we can dip into Steve McLaren's head and say, what would his starting never look like going into the USA game, the first match. And by this, we're going to look at previous team that he has selected, available players, what he's trying to do, and what we think he might go with. But let's do the YouTube stuff first. Hit the like button. If you're here for the first time, first you have to see the video. First in your life. Never. Jesus, peace. I first see the video. Anyways, first, if that happens to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. Quite an interesting topic we have to discuss here. All right, so I'm going to bring up two squads. And intentionally, I want you guys to tell me in the comment section which one of these squads you like best. Or you can tell me, say, both of them are foolishness. As easy as that. Both of them madness, stupidness, as easy as that. So, prepare yourself to start the cussing already. And as I said, in the meantime, just hit that like button. All right, so we're going to go with squad number 1. I should have already done this, but anything go already still. All right, so squad number 1. I look on the squad right now, people. What happened with squad number 1 is this. That squad is more so something that I would want to see. Yeah, it's more of something that I would want to see. As I said, I say go already. Just kind of fix up the camera, sorry, it shouldn't take so long, but I say go sometimes. Anyways, so yeah, this is the squad. So we're having goal, as you know. So let me say, I go for familiarity, players that we know or think or believe will be in the part of the squad, and then we mix up based off availability and also players who are in form. Now, let's go. First player we'll look at is Andre Blake. That kind of easy. Don't kind of easy because we all know what to expect where Andre Blake is concerned. Best player, one of the best Reggae Boyz have. Goalkeeper, number 1 goalkeeper. That not hard. Now, the right back position, we have seen Lembikisa quite often, but Lembikisa is not necessarily playing a lot of minutes. And at this time, we have a player in that particular position who's playing quite a lot of minutes. So, Tavan Gray is going to get the nod. In the comment section, tell me if you think that's okay, or you'd also go. You'll also definitely go back with Lembikisa starting here. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Next player, I think he has been the best pairing so far with Ethan Pinnock in our team, and as you know, he's our vice captain, Damian Lowe. Now, he's a player that divide the fan base and drives a lot of conversation. Will he play? We have Mason Holgate, we have Deshaun Bernard. Those two players are knocking on the door. Will they be able to topple Damian Lowe out of the number 1 centre back position? Not number one, the partnership. Would they be able to tap into the partnership? We don't know. Based off your perception, based off what you think, or who you think is better, we'll see how that one go. Next up, we have is Ethan Pinnock. Rock solid. No question about that. We never have to go in on a discussion. Greg Lee has been really good for us so far in recent times. In the absence of Amar Bell, but Amar Bell is back. And you know Amar Bell is back, which means that Amar Bell will play solid defensively or best left back. In the middle of the park now, this is where it gets interesting. First one we have is Lati Bodier. Not saying that he's the best CDM, but he's doing a job as it stands. And he's doing a fairly decent job, I would say. Second, right beside him, we have Casey Palmer. Now, people are going to say, why me I put him there, so? People could say, put Damian Lowe there, and make Bernard start beside Ethan Pinnock, or Mason Holley get start beside Ethan Pinnock. But we want to keep the players in their preferred position. We want to do that. Keep players in their preferred position. Our position would know that they can play more comfortably. So we have Casey Palmer partnering Lati Bodier in the middle of the park. On the right-hand side, Leon Bill is back. Leon Bill starts. I don't think many persons are going to argue or complain about that one necessarily. On the left-hand side, we have Ronaldo Cephas. Solely Ronaldo Cephas, as it stands at this present moment, is our most informed attacker. If you check out the recent form at club, we know club and country are two different things, but if you check out more recent form at club level, he is most definitely our most active attacker right now, who has scored goal and I do things, I contribute. So we need him in our team. People might not agree. Tell us what you think in the comment section. If you would start Cephas or what. In the attacking midfield position, in number 10 position, I'm going a little bit more off Demar Gray. No, I am unsure of his fitness level. Will he be able to play full 90 minutes? Will he be able to play 45 minutes? Give us a strong 45 minutes? Kind of question mark, lot of question mark is here. And then no, leading line, because Mikel Antonio won't be able to play the first game, that's quote unquote what we're being told. I think a card in card out. I would believe a card in card out. So he will play second leg. So Mikel Antonio, so Shaman Nicholson gets the nod again to start in this one. Fairly decent farm, not scoring a lot of goals like Cephas, but at least he's scoring. We're not getting any goals from Leon Bailey. We're not also getting any goals from Mikel Antonio. Not getting goals from Demar Gray. But as I said, I'm at club level. Speaking about club level, but as I said, that's how it is at this present moment. Now, I'm going to bring up our next starting 11, which is practically the same thing, just one minor change. Now, in this starting 11, I'm going to show you what the changes are. So the changes in the midfield, where we see Isaac Aiden coming in. And the reason I put Isaac Aiden for this one is because he's here. Possibilities are he might play. He's here. Possibilities are he might play. So we'll have Lati Bodier beside Isaac Aiden. I just make Lati Bodier do most of the dirty work. Isaac Aiden kind of sit deep, do the distribution, and control the middle of the park, control the tempo of the game, and those stuff. So, will he be able to play? Will he be able to sustain 90 minutes of football? Will he be able to play 45 minutes, a solid 45 minutes? We don't know. But he's one, the question mark specifically for me, who's not really anybody, specifically the question mark over his head, what will you get from him? Quite interesting one, interesting dynamic here. And a player that me personally, I'm glad to me go there at the game when I can see for myself what he will produce for us. Then now we push up Casey Palmer, with Casey Palmer in the attacking midfield position. Let's push him up a little bit further for him to give us something in the final third. Or maybe could also start the Margaret as well. But so far, this is actually technically the second starting 11 I was looking at and saying, you know what, which one of them people think would be ideal or people think is a better one? I don't know, people. Tell me which one you think is a better one. Which one of these starting 11 would you go with? It's interesting. It's very, very interesting to see how this one materializes. You tell me what your starting lineup would look like. Go in the comment section or tell me if you agree or like any one of these starting 11. So go in the comment section at this present moment. In the meantime you're doing that, make sure you're hitting the like button and make sure you are subscribing. Make sure you are doing that. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button en route to drop in your comment and in regards to tell us what your starting level would look like. As I said, for me, I preferably go with the first one. There's a lot more consistency. A lot of person will go for the one with Isaac Aiden in it, and no, because he is the position that is needed for a player like that, and he's here, so why not use him? So tell us what you think in the comment section, people. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We are out. God bless you. Now, boom. We out here.